Understanding the Respiratory System, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we'll be exploring a fascinating topic, the respiratory system. This is a crucial part of our body that helps us breathe and stay alive. So, let's dive in and learn more about it. The respiratory system is a group of organs and tissues in our bodies that work together to help us breathe. It's responsible for taking in oxygen from the air and removing carbon dioxide from our body. This system is essential for our survival, as every cell in our body needs oxygen to function properly. The nose and mouth. These are the entry points for air. When we inhale, air enters through our nose or mouth and travels down to our lungs. The trachea, also known as the windpipe. The trachea is a tube that carries air from the nose and mouth to the lungs. The lungs. The lungs are two sponge-like organs where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. They are the most critical part of the respiratory system. The diaphragm, a muscle located below the lungs. The diaphragm plays a key role in breathing. When it contracts, we inhale. When it relaxes, we exhale. Breathing involves two main actions, inhalation and exhalation. 1. Inhalation. When we breathe in, our diaphragm contracts, creating more space in our chest cavity. This allows air to flow into our lungs, where oxygen is absorbed. 2. Exhalation. When we breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes, pushing air out of the lungs and removing carbon dioxide from our body. Provides oxygen. Our cells need oxygen to produce energy. Removes waste gases. Carbon dioxide, a waste product, is expelled from our body. Helps in speech. Air movement through our vocal cords allows us to speak. And that's a wrap on the respiratory system. It's a remarkable part of our body that keeps us breathing and alive. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this essential system. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.